Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change whisper settings in Avakin Life application. Avakin Life allows you to send private messages called whispers. You can adjust the setting to control who can whisper to you. So here's how it's done. Launch open Avakin Life application on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, tap on the human icon at the left hand corner, and from the account option that appears on the screen, scroll down and click on Account Privacy Settings. On the next page, you'll see the Whispers option. Right next to Whisper, go ahead and drag the slider and you will see Everyone and Friends Only option there. If you want to be whispered, enable or disable notifications for incoming whisper. Go ahead and choose whether everyone can whisper to you or only your friends. And after you make the adjustment, you can then tap on the back button at the bottom left to save the change. So right there, you have successfully customized your whisper setting in Avakin Life. This allows to control who can message you and manage notifications for a safer and more enjoyable gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.